In this video, I'm going to talk about replacing the phenolic pins on your SM1 shaping machine. I have an early version of the machine, but the procedure is the same, and I don't know that they have changed anything on it. To remove phenolic pins, if they're installed, just use 3/4 inch wrench. And first thing you want to do is to loosen them. Once they are loosened, then you can remove them by hand. And I will remove the left side first normally because I'm left-handed, and then the right-hand side will screw in the opposite direction. For this, I'll just use a hammer and a punch. You can use a small piece of steel or probably even wood. First thing you want to do is to put your phenolic pin assembly into a vise. Tighten the vise in place, and then you'll use your punch, and there is a hole in the bottom of the adapter, and then simply pound out your phenolic. In this case, the phenolic is in there pretty good, so it's going to take me another hit or two. It's starting to loosen. There it goes. And the old phenolic pin is out. Now, in this case, since this is a demonstration, I'm going to reuse the phenolic pin, and I'm going to press it back into place. To do this, we will loosen the vise, and we will open it up so that you can put your phenolic pin adapter and your phenolic pin all in the vise at once. And then you simply press it into place by rotating the vise and closing the vise until the pin is seated at the bottom of the shaft. So that is all there is to replacing a phenolic pin. So you've pulled the pins out, and now you have your new set of pins. You simply put them in, rotate the pins on the shaft until they are finger tight. That one's good. And that one's good. And then I will use the wrench, and I will tighten the pin in place and tighten the pin in place. And then it has all the travel that it needs, and we are ready to go and start cutting more pieces on the shaping machine. Hope this video helped somebody out.